Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can change your property name on Booking.com. So first thing that you should do is you just have to log into your Booking.com extranet account. Okay, and then once done, just go to the group homepage. That's right. And then you just have to select your property. So for example, this one. So simply tap on the continue registration. All right, and then here it will take you back to the very first step of your property details. So here for the basic information, what is the name of your property? So of course, since we want to change the name of our property, all we have to do here is to type out the new name of your property. Okay, so I'm just going to type out new name property. Then after that, you just have to simply tap on continue and then finish setting up your property here on booking.com. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.